Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. I'm so happy to announce that every Saturday, every weekend, I'll be offering free lunch for you. I'll be cooking for you guys because of your support, everything. So kindly keep supporting me and let's cook lunch for you. Let's prepare lunch for you. So today I'm preparing chicken and rice and cabbage for you guys. Ish, akina wapenda, I love you. So these are my ingredients. The meat is already there. Chicken is already on the sufuria. I don't know how you call it. Na imeshika kidogo lakini iko tu sawa. And then I have right here, I have chicken masala, I have curry powder, I have ginger, I have turmeric, I have cinnamon. My cabbage is here, covered here. And then I have onions, salt, then tomatoes are there. And then why I use this one, why I like this one, we keep this bottle is for oil. It's usually avoids oil spillage while cooking and isn't everything. Yeah, so let's go. And as always, I prepare my things in advance, so stay tuned as I cook. So my meat is here, so I'll cook. My chicken is there, so I'll put onions. I don't know if you cook the same as me, but that's how I do. So in Luya, in my culture, Luya culture, chicken is meant to be prepared for, yani it's something so special. Chicken is something so special. Like if you go somewhere and they prepare chicken for you, it means you are very much important to that family and all that. We prepare chicken for in-laws, for special occasions, for Waluya huko. So I'll put a little oil. Put a little oil. After a little, I'll put a little oil. That is it. My onions are ready. So I'll put. There's another formula. You can start with putting onions first, and then all the stew, and then. But this is my way of cooking. I do it like this, and you know I'm a Luya, so Luyas are the best cooks food. They cook chicken the best way. So after that, I'll put tomatoes. So guys, after that, I'll apply soil. Oh, sorry, at the soil. Oh my God, I'll apply salt so that they can speed in the. I'll add salt so that the tomatoes can cook so fast. They can speed the rate of tomatoes. So I'll just add salt on top so that they can cook fast. The tomatoes can cook fast. Don't doubt my food. Just wait and see the outcome. Don't doubt. So guys, after applying salt, I'll stir it, and then I'll cover for a few minutes, just a few minutes for the tomatoes to cook. So let's cover the nini. That's my food, guys, but it's not cooked. Let's just see. It's not. It's still cooking. So for you guys, with love. Guys, I think you can see my tomatoes are already cooked. I just gave it a little minutes, like a few minutes, like it was how long? Like 2 minutes, just 2 minutes, and the tomatoes are ready. And it's because of the salt I added. So guys, after that, just cover this. After that, now I'll start putting my spices. I'll start by cinnamon. I have put cinnamon, so I'll stir. Just like that. Now I'll put turmeric. So guys, I already put turmeric. Hey, and I should get a new cooking stick, guys. I put turmeric, so I'll stir. So I'll now put ginger. Hello guys, I did this because I am putting spices right now because I did not really marinate the chicken, but I always marinate it. Today I'm just wet doing everything. Just wet doing everything. So that's the ginger I've already put. So we have ginger and cinnamon inside here. So the next thing is I'll put curry powder. And guys, my volume is surely increased because I've ordered a microphone. I've ordered a lapel somewhere, so it's yet to be delivered. I'll announce that. I'm so happy. It's yet to be delivered, but I've ordered it. So I put curry powder and I'm stirring it. So now guys, I'll put the chicken masala itself. I'll put the chicken masala just to add the flavor, the sweet flavor. So guys, that's my chicken. That's my stew today. That's my stew today. Our stew. I said I'm cooking for you. I'm preparing for all of you. My rice was cooking right here. The purpose for putting the water on top is to make sure it cooks. I don't know, but that's how we do. So that's how we do here in Kenya. Guys, my chicken is ready, so I'll just cover it for it to cook.